kum ka jingya le man penbyang dut ye ki khlung ki bala khana ki kmi ki baduna ka jingmi dut dan ki khlung ki ba ki kmi jung ki kala yapno na kalyang ka Rotary Club of Shillong matak sing fratrik uleber araja huai kala subha da ka Human Milk Bank hapa Dr. H. Conan Robert Hospital Jiao kani ka Human Milk Bank kalong ka jing pelang ye ka dut ka bala yo ne ki kmi ki ba penmi dut man ai pat si khlung ki baduna ka jing dut na ki kmi ki jongki ia kani ka bang la play da ulat jong ka jela usatepal malik ha ka jelang ka balong ha ka tai ka hospital umalik ha bakran ha kani ka jelang ula panpau ka jing sokhia ka bajur bagbon ki khlung mata kilong ki khlung ki bam sat ki bam khlan tangna ka daw bakim yo ya ka bam ka di ka babit ka babyang ani ki khlung ki bam yo ya ka dot jong ka kami ka babyang bagindi akapor ka bakidang khna mat ka daw la panpau ka jing skokmen ka bakhrau bakar Rotary Club of Shillong kalale ya kani ka menta ka badon kam na ka menta ban pej baki khlung ki ban long ki khlung ki basat ki baklan bar bakrim yam no asiteng por ha kan ka jelang la don lang ru ki pastor jang KJP assembly kanthop yaw senior administrative secretary Reverend P Hinyota ubolong senior administrative secretary jang KJP assembly Reverend HM Walang ubolong administrative secretary ki Dr. jang Robert Hospital ki nurse bat ki wede ki nam ikhmat jang ka hospital kini ka dikasin ka ban kong baka hospital ka yo ya kini kalat na kamta ban tengkai la ban lumlang ban sna ye ki jingbam ki balong na kadud na kamta ban ai ki khlung ki biyo kaduna ka jimi dot na kalyang jang ka kemi na kalyang kinang panya jang ka Robert Hospital kila panpau ka jang su komen ka bakrau pan yo ya kani ka jing asobha ka balong ka jing asaba ka bakrau ban pe bagi khlung na do bagi nang khlung kin yo ya ka bam bani ki batamen ki babyang nam ta ka jing he ka jing san ka jongki hakani ka sniru na kalyang jang ka Rotary Club of Shillong rengkan bakani ka Human Milk Bank ka asobha ru da ki ventilator.
Despite mushrooming of neonatal intensive care units across the country, the need for sufficient human milk to provide adequate nutritional support to premature babies or newborn babies with low birth weight is palpable throughout the country. While many ICUs ask new mothers to pump their breast milk twice or 3 times a day and give it to the NICUs, proper pasteurization and banking of breast milk is yet to be developed even in the capital city of Guwahati. We all know breast milk is best for the baby and it is not only specific, it is also baby specific. But many a time, getting enough human milk for tiny babies is difficult for various reasons, including the mother's sickness or inability to produce sufficient milk for psychological stress, etc. The pressure further mounts on a mother if the baby is admitted in the NICU, said IPDG Dr. Devashish Das, a pediatrician himself. So, this is very important thing happening in our state. I congratulate you all for this valuable thing for the mothers and children.